So we're at google.com, since half the world seems to start its web experience there. And let's just go to news so we can get some fresh content that we're looking at. And here's a story about how new poll shows big shake up in the GOP race. And let's say I want to highlight the fact that Mike Huckabee's dramatic jump in the polls is going nationwide. And to be able to do this, the beauty of this application is that there is no download install. So how does this work? I basically go in and type in roohit.com. That's ROOHIT.com before whatever page I happen to be on. And what you notice happens is this lovely little red panel appears right here. And if you also look at it, the mouse cursor now looks like a yellow highlighter pen. So I just go click and drag upon the piece that I was interested in highlighting and let go. And you notice instantaneously this thing changes into a yellow background. Simple. Okay, so obviously typing in roohit.com before every page that you want to go is not the best way to do it. So what we did is we created this lovely place where you can actually add a bookmark. So let's click on add now. And what this does is we actually add a favorite bookmark to your browser, or we don't actually, you add a favorite bookmark to your browser that lets, anytime you could be on any page and you click this favorite bookmark and you continue to stay on the page that you're already on, except it also brings up the lovely highlighter application. So you can instantly start highlighting whatever it is on. Again, this is a completely web-based application, so there is no download or there is no install on your own computer. For folks that are not that web savvy, there's a simple add now button. You can click this button and it adds the application for you. For the more web savvy geeks, we've got a simple highlighted link. You can right click. Notice right click on this, scroll down, say add to favorites. There's a dialog box that comes up from Internet Explorer. You click on yes and you say yes, I want to add a highlighted link to my links bar on my Internet Explorer, and you click on add. Okay, so now that we have this bookmark, let's see what we can do with it. Let's go to Craigslist, which is one of my favorite websites, and I'm going to go into activities, and I'm just going to pick a random article over here, and let's say hair color models. So here I'm reading about hair color models, and I want to highlight parts of this article. So I go to the bookmark and I click on this highlighted button. What you notice is lovely red application, lovely highlighter panel shows up instantaneously. My mouse cursor again looks like a highlighter pen, and I'm ready to start making highlights. So I say, okay, I want to make sure that the person I'm going to get my hair color done is a licensed cosmetologist. Click, drag, as simple as that. New tiny URL gets generated, which I can use to come back to the story. The beauty is, for example, for a Craigslist user that we happen to be on, we archive the page in its entirety. So even if this article expires off of Craigslist, you can always come back to your own highlights or your own collection of highlights. If you notice over here, you've got this little button that says past highlights. You can click that and go back to all of your own past highlights that have been archived for you.